Hey, what's going on? This is Kidsuperscience, and yes, we got Kid Rock here. Rock E Balboa, with an E, not a Y. Rock, what's going on? What do you think? Today we're going to be talking about how can we make a glow stick brighter. Is it possible, Rock? He says yes. We'll see in a minute to find out. And we're back. Kidsuperscience here. Okay, guys, there's an old myth that when you have a glow-in-the-dark stick or a glow stick, as you can see here, that you can enhance the brightness by adding cold water or hot water. What do you guys think? I know in chemistry I use hot water a lot to speed up reactions, and cold water will slow them down. What effect do you think it will have on a glow stick if I put in here I have hot water and in here I have cold water? And I actually put a little dish soap in each one too, because that will show us a little bit more illumination, hopefully. We'll see. So what do you guys think? My hypothesis is I'm gonna go with, I don't know, I'll say cold. So here's your cold, and here's your warm. So I'm gonna hit the lights, okay? And we're gonna find out. You tell me, because you get to be the judge. Here we go. Let's try them at the same time and see if you can figure it out. Well, I think it's pretty obvious that our winner here is the hot water. Do you guys know why? Like I said, I know it expands the molecules inside the liquid. It also speeds up reactions. But wow, look at the illumination there, guys. It really came out. Really came out. You think, even if I add a little to that cold, you see how it sort of wants to get going there? Pretty cool, huh? Something else I want to show you guys. Check this out. A little fountain I'm working on. Get these out of the way. And this is a glow-in-the-dark fountain. Watch this. I'm gonna get a little bit more black light on it. And what I have going on in there is got some club soda. And this is fluorescein. This is the stuff that you find inside of glow sticks. And as the club soda is running, watch this. If I add a little bit more fluorescein, I can actually get this thing to glow even more. Watch. See that? How much brighter it gets. Isn't that cool? Hey, this has been Kidsuperscience. I love glow in the dark. Make sure you're careful if you play with glow in the dark sticks or glow sticks. There's glass inside, so make sure you're careful. We'll see you next time. Okay, you got regular material from the glow stick, and in here I have hot water with dish soap. I'm going to show you how to make this brighter. Watch. Just by adding hot water with soap, look at the illumination level now. It's just about 100 times more bright. So that's how you get a glow stick to become more bright. And I'm going to take this here and I'm going to microwave it. Now you guys don't do this at home. I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you how we can illuminate it even more. So remember that. Okay, here we go. Let's go 1 minute. Cook that up for about a minute, and you'll be the judge. When it comes out, do you think it'll be brighter? Again, a minute ago, we added hot water with dish soap, and the temperature of the water and the soap somehow affected the illumination inside of the fluorescein, which is the chemical found inside of a glow stick. So I'm boiling up that water a little more. Let's probably use a different cup next time. But we're going to take this back into the dark area. You can see it bubbling a little and see what happened. Wow, look what it did. It took the illumination away. But watch this. Wow, how extreme is that? Pretty cool, huh?